Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock Canva page on mobile. To unlock a page in Canva on mobile, first open your layout or design and look to the top for the triple dot menu located behind the crown icon. Tap this, then go to Settings, which you'll find just above Accessibility. From there, enable the Show Page Thumbnails option. Once this is on, navigate to the specific page you want to unlock. If the page is locked, simply tap on it and select the Unlock option. Your page will now be editable. You can repeat this process for any other locked page in your project. Additionally, unlocking pages allows you to easily arrange, duplicate, or delete them without restriction. This also helps when collaborating with others, as unlocked pages ensure everyone can make edits without hitting barriers. Keeping pages unlocked streamlines your workflow, saves time, and make your Canva experience on mobile smoother and more productive. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.